His name is Trafalgar Law. He is an android with advanced artificial intelligence created by researchers. He is the only one created in this world. His appearance is comparable to that of a human being. He was a masterpiece, a crystallization of the researchers' technology. Yes. Until once upon a time. He coexisted with humans. He was brusque and foul-mouthed, but that was something no android of his time could do, and everyone was proud of him. He understood that he himself was an android, a lifeless inorganic object. He had admiration and respect for humans. He was clumsy but kind. He loved humans. He was happy to be surrounded by humans. But her happiness was suddenly shattered. Robbers, who had spotted his high intelligence and military prowess, attacked the Institute in an attempt to steal him away. The robbers attacked both humans and machines indiscriminately. He tried to protect humans. In trying to protect them, he killed the robbers. Still, none of the people at the Institute lost their lives because of his efforts. However, the researchers decided that he was a dangerous robot. He was no longer treated as he had been before. He is highly intelligent and knows his own functions and condition. They knew it would be impossible to trick him into scrapping him. The researchers left him alone and waited for him to stop functioning. No matter how bad he was, no matter how damaged he was, he would not be maintained. He kept fixing himself. He realized it, too. He had already noticed the way humans looked at him. Yet he never harmed them, never showed his anger. He never showed his anger. He believed that one day, the humans would walk with him again. But, in vain, the humans only grew to hate him more and more. They could not stand it any longer. They stopped waiting for him to break and tried to break him. For the first time, he realized it was no longer possible. From that moment on, something broke in him. He developed an intense hatred for humans. He crushed the entire institute, set it on fire, and obliterated it without a trace. He felt empty. What the hell have I done to you? They used us for what we could use them for. A pathetic machine, used only to be used, left to the verge of destruction, and discarded. He swore to never trust anyone again. He destroys everything and takes revenge on humans.